Welcome back, my friends. I'm back. You're back. Uh, for people that are new to this channel, it's a fairly new channel anyway. I've been gone for 4 or 5 months with an illness, and I'm just so grateful to be back and be able to be in front of a camera and continue on with my life. This channel's about my bus build and about the adventures that follow. It's not really a tutorial, but you can see the way I'm doing it, and if you like it, great. If you have, something to add, please do add something in the comments. But like and subscribe. Today, we're just going to go out to the shop and look at a bunch of cardboard boxes, and I'm going to unpack them. I won't torture you with that. And then I'm going to show you all the stuff laid out on the ground, and then I'm going to pretty much just wrap it up. So it's going to be a short video. Um, the uh, the next video is going to be the bus tour as it is right now, and I've been really looking forward to that. So I'm excited about that, and I'm going to post that today or tomorrow. And then after that, I'm going to tell you how the heck did this happen? How does a guy end up, needing to live in a a box versus a cardboard box, and why that happened, I think. So I've got this video and a couple other planned, and then lots more after that. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm just really glad to be back. So without further ado, let's get this party started. I'm going to take you out to the shop. Okay, so we're looking at 6 server rack batteries. I don't know what's in this box. Some probably, who knows what. Server rack. And 10 450 watt N-type bifacial solar panels, 450 watts. And we're going to be using this T-slot, and there's a lot more to come, to build out the inside cabinetry for the server rack system. This will be plenty strong, and that server rack will be inside a cage of these. So yeah, that's what it looks like in boxes. Let's take a peek inside. This is where freedom starts, right here, with 10 450 watt N-type bifacial solar panels. This is freedom. This is freedom from the grid, freedom to go where you want to go, freedom from campsites where you have to plug in, freedom to boondock. This is freedom from society. This is freedom for me. And over here we have 6 5,000 watt hour eco-worthy server rack batteries. And these are actually the SunGold 450 watt N-type solar panels. We have extruded aluminum 440 T-slot to frame the roof for the solar panels, and also using that to build the enclosure for all the electronics, all the Victron electronics. Over here, here we go, put together. I gotta be honest, the best, coolest feature about this server rack is the 600 amp bus bars on each side, which allow you to just connect your batteries individually to the bus bar, so you don't have to daisy chain them. And the eco-worthy batteries come with a negative and a positive, and a link cable and a ground cable, and handles. So this is actually a pretty good setup. Unfortunately, the delivery was really poor, and the boxes were damaged, and this is damaged. So they're going to have to send me some new parts. But it's a delay I didn't want, but it is a delay. But hopefully they can get them to me real soon. Well, there it is. That's the server rack. And very exciting. If anybody wants some casters, let me know. I don't know what to do with these. These things are 300-pound casters, They are really cool. I mean, they are really cool. I should keep them, but I don't know what to do with them. So if somebody needs some casters, let me know, and maybe I can send them to you. There's a emergency stop switch to turn off all the batteries at one time. Plus, they're all individually circuit breakered. Plus, there's going to be a 100 amp circuit breaker bolting onto the here between each battery. So a lot of redundancy, but really necessary, especially, well, it's always necessary. Anyway, starting to collect some miscellaneous hardware here. These allow for the T-slot to connect to the bus and handle the angle of the bus. Pretty exciting. I'm extremely excited about this. Also, these are a couple of them here. They're just stacked on top of each other. The 18 gauge emergency hatch covers, which I'll get sealed in next week. And that will allow me to start building the framework for the solar panels. All right, that wraps it up. Hey, subscribe and like, and again, thank you so much for checking out my videos. It's pretty exciting for me to be able to share this, and I'm going to see you in the tour video today or tomorrow. Peace out.